Hello students, this is class 6 mathematics chapter 2 whole numbers, and today I am going to the exercise 2.2. Here question number 1 is written on the board. Find the sum by suitable rearrangement. So here what we have to do, this is the question part is given. Here we have to arrange them, that means we have to make the rearrangement, then we have to add, find out the sum. So here 837, so 7 is given over here, so we are going to put these two numbers together because 7 plus 3 is gives the 0 as in last. So here we have to put them together. So after putting them, this is the arrangement. Now here 7 3 10, 10 means 0, 1 carry over, 6 3 9, 9 plus 1 10, 0. Now 1 carry over, 8 3 11 plus 1 12. So now we are getting 1200, 208 as it is. After adding we are getting this answer. Now going to the B part. Here 1962 plus 453 plus 1538 plus 647. So here what we are going to arrange? We are going to put them these two numbers together because they having the 8 plus 2 10, and these two numbers together because 7 plus 3 gives 10. So here after this arrangement, this number must be written with these two numbers are together and these two numbers are together. So now after adding 8 to 10 means 0, 1 carry over, 6 3 9 plus 1 10 0, 1 carry over, 9 5 14 plus 1 15, 1 carry over, 1 1 2 plus 1 3. Now here 3 7 10 0, 1 carry over, 5 4 9 plus 1 10, 1 carry over, now 4 6 10 plus 1 11. After adding we are getting this answer. So this is the method that how we are going to do this sum. Now I am going to the question number 2. Here the question number 2 is given that find the product by suitable rearrangement. So here we have to find out the product. I am going to the part A. The part A is written that 2 into 1768 multiplied with the 50. So what we are getting over here? Simply we have to multiply this one with the 50. That means 2 with the 50. 2 multiplied to the 50. So that now we will get this arrangement. And after here, after this step, 50 multiplied to 50 to the 100. Now 100. Then we are getting as simple as we know that whenever we are going to multiply any number like 10, 100, 1000, then simply we are placing the zeros after the number. So here 1768 and 00. This will be the answer. Simply going to the B part. Here we have to multiply 24 with 25. So here we are getting 4 multiplied with 25, then 166. Now what we getting? 25 4 again 100. Then we are getting like this. Now 166 multiplied with the 100, then it becomes this. So this is the answer. Now going to the C part. Here we are watching that we have to multiply this 25 to the 8. So 8 multiplied to the 25, then we are getting this is arrangement. Now 25 8 it becomes 200 and multiplied with the 29. So here simply we have to place 2 zeros and 2 9 18 and 2 2 4 plus 1 5. So this will be the answer. Now remaining parts you have to do by self. Now I am going to the question number 3. So now the question number 3 is written on the board. Find the value of the following. So here first part is given. Here A part 297 multiplied with the 17 plus 297 multiplied with the 3. So quite simple method. What we are going to do, these two numbers we have to take common because here the two terms are written. One term plus next term. So here in both the terms we are watching that this 297 is common. So we have to take this 297 as common. After taking common in bracket, what will be over there? It becomes 17 and the sign of plus, then here it will be 3. Now what we have to do? 297, then it is multiplied 17 plus 3, it becomes 20. Now we have to multiply 0 as it is, 2 7 14, 1 carry over, 2 9 18 plus 1 19. Now 1 carry over, 2 2 4 plus 1 5. So answer becomes 5940. Similarly we are going to the B part. Here we are watching that this portion is common in both the terms. So here what we have to do? we have to take this portion as common. 54,279 into, in bracket here 92 and plus here this 8 remaining. Now in next step we have to add them. It becomes 100. 92 plus 8 becomes 100. So here what we are going to get 54279 and then simply 2 zeros over there. So this will be the answer. It's a very quite simple method. Now I am going to the question number 4. So now the question number 4 is written on the board. Here question number 4 is saying that find the product using suitable properties. So here we have to use the property. As we are using one property in the question number 3, then same here we are going to use, as it is given 738, and here 103 can be written as 100 plus 3 in bracket. So here we are, what we have done here, it is break into two parts, 100 plus 3. Now we will get this number multiplied to this first part and also with the second part. So here 738 multiplied 100, then whatever the sign we have to place as it is. Now 738 multiplied with the 3. So whatever, remember what we have done in the question number 3, we have taken the common. So same thing here, the reverse method going on. Actually this is the distributive property over addition. So we are using the same property over here in reverse order. So here we are going to solve. Now it becomes 738 plus, now 3 8 ja 24, so it becomes 4. Now 2 carry over, 3 3 ja 9, 9 to 11. Now 1 carry over, 7 3 ja 21 plus 1, so it becomes 22. So now what we have to do, add them. 4 as it is, 1 as it is, 8 to 10, 8 to 10, 1 carry over, 3 to 5 plus 1, 6. Now we are getting 76,014. Similarly, we are going to the B part. Here it is written 854, then it is multiplied with the 102 means 100 plus 2. Similarly, whatever the pattern we have done here in the part A, same pattern we have to apply here. Now it is multiplied with the 100, then whatever the sign given, if plus is given, then write down plus, if minus given, then write down minus. So 854 multiplied with the 2. Now here what we are going to get, 854 multiplied with the 100, then we are getting this one. Now 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 8 ja 16 plus 1, 17. So now what the answer we are getting, 8 as it is, 0, then 7 plus 4, 7 plus 4, 11. Now 1 is here, 1 carry over. Now 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, and 8 as it is. So this is the answer. Now we are getting the answer 87,108. So this is the method that how we are going to apply the property. This property is known as the distributive property, distribution property over addition. Now my dear student, I am going to the question number 5. It is a language problem is given over here. Simple language problem is here. A taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. So petrol filled on Monday. Petrol filled on Monday. How many liter? 40 liter. And petrol filled on next day. So on next day, petrol filled, that is 50 liter. And simply the rate means the cost per liter of the petrol is given. Cost is given rupees 44 liter, rupees 44 per liter. That means cost of the 1 liter of petrol is 44. So simply here we have to solve this question by the previous method, whatever we are doing in the question number 4. Here what we have to do, we have to find out the total amount. If we are going to find out the total then what we have to do? We have to multiply rupees 44 to the total volume. How many liters? So here 40 liters on Monday and 50 liters on the next day. So now this looks like the previous question, whatever we are doing in the question number 4. So here this 44 multiplied with, now going to add, it becomes 90. Now here 0 as it is, 9 4 are 36, 3 carry over, again 9 4 are 36 plus 3, so it becomes 39. So finally we are getting the total amount, that is 3,960 rupees. Now we are going to the question number 6. It is also a language problem. So now the question number 6 is written on the board. Here I am going to read. A vendor supplies 32 liters of the milk in a hotel in morning and 68 liters of milk in the evening. If the milk costs rupees 45 per liter, how much money is due to the vendor per day? So simply, milk supplies in morning this one, in evening this one, and the cost is given rupees 45 per liter. Simply we will do this question, total due on the vendor. So total due on the vendor, that we have to multiply the rate, that means the rate is given, and this is equals to the 32 plus 68. Then we are getting rupees 45 multiplied with the 820639 plus 1 10. So it becomes the 100. So here total amount will be 4,500 rupees. It's quite simple question. Now we are going to the question number 7. Here question number 7 is given the match the following. So I am going to write down the question on the board. So now the question number 7 is written on the board. One side of the part I have written on the board, and second type of the arranged part, matching part, we are going to write down. Here it is written that first part 425 multiplied with the 136. So now here it is written in the expanded form, 100 plus 30 plus 6. So that means this shows the property, that is multiplication over addition, distributive property of multiplication over addition. So here we have to match it with the part C. Here we have to write down the statement of the part C, that is given, that distributivity of multiplication over addition. Now here the part number 2. Here 2 into 2 multiplied 49 multiplied 50, and here only the sequence, that means order is changed. Like this, if A, B and C is written, so here we are going to change the sequence. A is written as it is, now C, then B. So if we are interchanging the sequence, so this is called the option number A, commutativity under multiplication. Now going to the third part. Here it is written, it is again the commutativity, A plus B plus C, A plus C plus B. That means it is again the commutativity, but not of multiplication, it is of addition. So here we will write down the B. It is matched with the B. Now this is the matching of the question number 7. And thank you for watching this video.